Welcome to this course on XBench offered by translationtutorials.com. In this lecture, we'll see a special case of terminology check. We want to check the TM against the glossary sent by the client. We're going to use a TM instead of the translated files as we used in the previous lecture. We could use any kind of TM, like one exported from Trados, or one from WordFast, or even a TMX file. So let's go ahead and take a look here. We have to open up XBench. And create a new project by going to Project and then to New. Click on Add Our Glossary, which is already prepared in a tabbed limited text format. And then you have to click on Next, and I'll go ahead and look for my glossary, which is in the folder there. And for glossaries, we're going to set the priority as high and uncheck remove duplicates and check key terms. Now we'll click OK and add our memory to this. If we're going to use a TMX memory, we need to go ahead and check the right box right there. If it's a Trados exported one, then you should check that one. If we want to use a memory created in WordFast, well, simple enough. Go to where it says WordFast memory. And you can even use this for an SDLX memory. In this case, it's just a simple Trados exported memory. Click Next and go ahead and search for your TM. Now here you can set the priority as low or medium, it really doesn't matter. Uncheck remove the duplicates and click on ongoing translation because this is the file that we want to check. After you've done that, click on OK to load the files. Okay, it's working. Let's go to the QA tab and we'll make sure that only content and mismatched key terms are checked. Okay. Click on Check Ongoing Translation. Depending on the size of the TM, this process can be really short or really long. Here we are. If for any reason you want to add a file, you could go here and edit the project properties, as I'll show you. And add or remove the file. Then you need to refresh the files using the arrow or by hitting F5. Okay, that's how you would refresh. Let's take a look at the results here. What we've done is checked a TM against a glossary. This is a good way to clean up a TM before starting a project. This way we can clean up everything before we start, and this helps us to avoid differing translations. For example, for plenum chamber, we see boîte de répartition d'air, which is incorrect here. And we should check that before starting the project to correct the TM. You could change the TM directly here if you want to, because it's a TM from Trados exported into a TXT. What you should do to take care of that is we have to right click on what we want to change. Okay, so we found the error. We want to right click on what we want to change, and then you would click on edit source, and Notepad will go ahead and open that TM for you. Okay, so there you go. And this is really easy to do, you'll see, because all you have to do is copy the correct term that you want to use and find it in the memory. And I'll show you how to do that with change the translation. Here we go. Never mind. I think we should find another one. Let's see. Here we go. We'll change this to couvercle de plenum. Now you should save the file and go back to the results in XBench. As you can see here, you can use filters, and I'll show you how to do that, to show all the results, or only the ones you have marked. Okay? You have 3 options there. This means that you can mark some of the results of the mistakes to show the difference between false positives and real mistakes. To mark a segment, you should use Control M. Okay, or you can do that by right clicking, and we'll go ahead and select that, so you can see the X's here. Then we can check this one along with this one by marking it. Then we could use a filter to see only the segments which we marked before. This way we can export QA results with only the marked segments. Okay? What you can do as well is you can also edit the key terms directly here, which opens the glossary in Notepad, and click refresh before running the check ongoing translation again. Okay? There's how you edit the key terms. So there you would open up the glossary and click ongoing translation, like I just said. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you for watching this course offered by translationtutorials.com. We'll see you next time.